Hi Mike, how you doing? This is just going to be a quick, easier to do a little video for you to show you how to print down your plan basically. So uh, you should have your little dashboard like this. Okay, so if you come into training program right there, this is going to pull up this one, which is right here, which gives the training parameters and stuff. But if you just come into print and click on the print button, move my face out of the way. Move this out of the way as well. So if I make this larger, so all you need to do is just in the default format. So I'll have the phase, the instructions, and then each single workout will be listed below with a tracking sheet. So you can obviously add in your reps and sets and stuff with that afterwards. And this is kind of what you did last time, just the last workout. So that's how you print that off. So with regards to all the other data, I actually don't think you can. I don't think you can print off the data, but your progress is down there. It takes a second to do it, but all I would say is the best way to do it, because obviously it's all meant to be done online anyway, is to come down to body stat graphs. So these are what you want to change. And you can either kind of like do print screen. So if you print screen, it'll give you everything on the screen. So if you were going to come here and click on your the 1 year or 2 year parameters, it gives you everything that we did in our training. And you can just either print screen it, which is on the button, or you can right click. Right click will give you a save image. Same for all this other stuff as well. But I don't think you can actually print this off. Is a way to do it. The only way you can do it is to print off the workout itself. So sorry, can't help you any further, but that's the best you're going to get, I'm afraid. And obviously, if you wanted to play around with the calendar and stuff. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Sorry, mate. Any questions at all, just give me a shout back, and I'll try and get it sorted for you. But yeah, anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.